Hello guys and welcome to our magic wand circuit. Okay, on this activity we're going to create a magic wand and we're going to make magic tricks to our parents. Okay, so the materials that we need for this circuit are adhesive tape, 5 lollipop sticks, could be 3 but we're going to use the 5, 2 wires, 1 LED lamp, 1 battery, and remember that these are going to be my models for you to watch it a little bit better and understand what are we going to do. Okay, so let's start with our activity. So the first step is that we're going to connect our wires to the LED lamp. Do you remember that on the first circuit we make this? So we're going to repeat the process. That it's so easy. We're going to take our LED and 1 wire and we're going to start making some laps to the wire to connect it on to attach it to our LED lamp. Okay, I'm gonna make it here. Remember that you need to have something like this. Okay, the wire attached to the LED, the same with the other one. So you're going to attach it like this. You can make something like that and it's going to be a little bit easier for you. Okay, at the end remember to attach it with adhesive tape. You can put a little bit of adhesive tape to make sure that the connection is going to be fixed here. Okay, adhesive tape, and on the other side we're gonna do the same, adhesive tape. Don't worry, I'm going to repeat the same process with my model made of plasticine and wool. Okay, and we're going to let it here. So I'm gonna make the same process with my model here of plasticine and wool. Remember that you're going to take your wires and your LED lamp and we're gonna do the next step. You're going to take your wire, you can move it a little bit and you're gonna start making some rolls here and you're going to add a little bit of adhesive tape to make the connection better. Okay, adhesive tape here and you take the other wire and you do the same. Okay, some laps and adhesive tape. Very good. So let's go with the next step. We're going to continue working on this. Now, the next step is that we're going to take one of our lollipop sticks and we're going to put it in the middle of our connection, in the middle of the legs of the LED lamp. We're going to do something like this and we're going to have our connection like this. Pay attention. I'm going to make it with the real ones. So you're going to put the lollipop stick in the middle and you're going to have something like this. You're going to use a little bit of adhesive tape to make that they are not going to be sure that your wires are not going to move, and also is going to happen the same with your LED. Now it is not going to move anymore. Okay, we're going to have one wire by one side and the other wire on the other side. So the next step in our activity is that we're going to start putting some adhesive tape in our wires to fix them. So I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive tape here and I'm going to add another piece of adhesive tape here to fix it to my lollipop stick. Now you're going to put another lollipop stick here, but you're going to measure what is the end of the wires. So you can see that my wires finish here, the plastic finish here, and the copper is here. So I'm going to cut my lollipop stick in the place where the 2 wires finish. I'm going to measure here. You can make it with your hands, you can break it. And then you're going to do the same. You're going to put it in the middle of the two wires, and you can use a little bit of adhesive tape to connect the two wires to the lollipop stick, the other lollipop stick that we put here. Okay, I'm going to do this one with a little bit of tape like this. Okay, you can see that the wires are there. The next step is that we're going to put the two lollipop sticks, one on the top and one on the bottom and the other one on the top, like this, like a sandwich. But before we do this, we're going to attach the wires to the extra lollipop sticks that I put here. Pay attention how we're going to make it. So you're going to take a little bit of adhesive tape, and you're going to take one wire here and put adhesive tape here, one. You can see that I put it here, and with the other one I'm gonna do the same. Okay, I'm going to take the other lollipop stick. I don't know if you're watching, I'm gonna try to do my best. And I'm going to put my lollipop stick, and with adhesive tape I'm going to be sure that the wire is going to be fixed to the lollipop stick. There you go. We are going to have something like this. Okay, this is going to look like a sandwich between these two lollipop sticks and the wires that we have here. Now the final part is to add our battery. So how we're going to add our battery? We're going to check which side, if the negative or the positive, is going to make that our wand works. Okay, I'm going to start testing the positive here on this wire. So I'm going to close it, and okay, it's working. But maybe if it is not working, remember that you can flip your battery and check that maybe on this time it is working. Here you can see that it is not working because the positive side needs to go to the other side, but now it's working. So when you remember this, you are going to stick your battery to one side of your of the wires. So I'm gonna put some adhesive tape here to stick it to my negative side. Pay attention. We're going to take a little bit of adhesive tape. We're going to put it under the wire, and you attach it. Just a second. You can see here I have my wire and I paste it here. Okay, and then without covering at all, you're going to attach your battery to that part of your lollipop stick. Pay attention, because this part, it could be kind of confusing. Pay attention, I'm attaching my battery. Maybe it's going to start turning on, but with adhesive tape I'm going to attach my battery to the lollipop stick previously. You can see that now I have this, and when I press, it's going to start turning on. So to finish my activity, I just need to finish attaching my magic wand using adhesive tape. Okay, you can use adhesive tape with colors to make it to start the decoration. I'm gonna use this red one for you to watch it. Okay, and to cover the wires too. The idea is that you cannot see the wires. Okay, pay attention. I'm trying to cover all the wires using adhesive tape. You can see here. Okay, and every time you touch it, you press it. Every time that you press here, you can see that it is turning on. So you can say abracadabra, and you can see that it is turning on. You can impress your family with this magic trick. Okay, so remember that the idea is that when the wires touch the battery, they are going to start producing light. Guys, that's everything. I hope that you enjoyed this activity, and as soon as you finish you can show it to me, okay? I'm going to say abracadabra and the video is going to finish right now.